Hello everyone, my name is Steven, this is Sam, and we are back with another video. We got 4 more packs of Team Up, 4 more packs of Ravnica Allegiance, and 4 more packs of Speed Duel Arena of Lost Souls. We did make a third video. The audio wasn't very well. It was just a pain, so we scrapped that. And we are, well, this is technically our 4th video. So I guess let's get into this.
Get the party started.
There's
Pokemon!
Pokemon. There's the code card. Oops, that's upside down. I won't make you work for it.
Nobody wants to do that. It's green!
Grass energy. Return label. Genghis Khan. Cosmonium. Charmander. Honage. Pidgeotto. Nidoran. Cosmog.
Ooh.
And a Cosmog reverse hollow. And Mightyena.
Oh, he's cute. Or she's cute. It's cute. That one's pretty.
Oh my.
He's having a really hard time with packs. Like, all the time.
There's your code card. An electric energy. Charmeleon. Unidentified fossil.
Farfetch'd!
Farfetch'd. Nidoran.
What is that?
Pancham.
What? Why does it look like that?
It's a panda.
No, I know it's a panda. But I mean, it
Voltol.
looks like clay animation.
Klefki. Because that's just how it was drawn.
Charmander!
Fluffy. Or yeah. Mareep.
He's cute.
And a Nidoking.
Is Hero on sleep too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And just
Nope.
those.
Okay.
There's Coco. Fire energy. Heliolisk. Buff padding. Kabuto. Staryu. Poochyena. Alohan Geodude. Paris.
There's another one like that.
Joltik.
Mr.
Reverse
Mime!
Mr. Mime.
Oh, it's...
And an Omastar holographic. Very
Oh,
nice.
he's scary looking.
That's pretty awesome. I like that one.
He is creepy.
first time.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. It is cool, but he looks like something a child's nightmare. Code card. Maybe.
And Moga.
He's cute.
Marie. Vulpix. Jotic. Blitzau.
Is it a horse or a dog? Dog.
The reverse Pancham.
It's a panda bear.
And an Alohan Executor. And apparently I forgot to do the card trick. Or there's extra cards, one of the two.
I think you forgot to do it. I don't think we got extra cards.
Hitmonchan. Jasmine. And a Dragonair.
On to Magic.
Ravnica Allegiance.
Go in your room with it.
Persistent Petitioners. Scorch Mark. Bring the Trial.
Steep Creeper.
Reslock. Azur's Locket. Blade Brand. Skewer of Critics.
Growth Spiral.
Clear the Mind. Gateway Sneak.
High alert.
Innovation and Ingenuity. Ingenuity. And for our rare, the Sphinx of Foresight.
Oh no, he's not. That's
Spewer. Concordia Pegasus.
so pretty.
Quench. Rakdos Tempter. Open the Gate.
It's Trumpeter.
Burn Bright. Senate. Courier. Azorus. Knight and
It's a cat with horns.
Gate Colossus. Clear the Stage.
That's pretty cool.
Sphinx of the Guild Pact. Hero of the Penict One. For a rare. Human. How's the officer? Persistent Petitioner. Roboboat Runner. Surfworm Hybrid.
Exposed to daylight.
Titanic Brawl. Azurus Knight of Brother. Burn Bright. Grasping Thrall. Pitiless Pontiff. Collision and Colossus. Flames of the Burning of the
Razor Boar. Flames of the Razor Boar.
For a mythic rare. Mesmerizing Benthid. And a hollow light up the stage.
Token.
Shimmer the Possibilities. Furomaka. Gift of Strength.
Footlight Fiend.
Burn Bright. Grasping Thrall.
It's Nightmare.
Skitter Eel.
Deptor's Transport.
That is Transport.
Yeah. It's a locket.
Orzhov Locket. Frenzied Arthnix.
Angry Horned Kitty. Rhythm of the Wild.
Regenis. Forbidding Spirit. And Absorb for our rare.
That concludes Magic.
On to Yu-Gi-Oh! Common Charity.
Magical Ghost. Ow.
Magical Ghost. Amzuna Spy. Shield and Sword.
Why do you open these packs all nice, but the other ones don't?
They just open easy. Wasteland. Buster Blader. Dragon Zombie.
I like that thing.
Violet Crystal.
Oh, that's pretty.
Veil of Darkness. Common Charity. Jack's Knight. And Buster Blader.
The last pack. Oh, he's cool.
Zombie Tiger.
That's pretty neat.
Conscription. White Elephant's Gift. And Jack's Knight. Alright, well that concludes our pack opening for today. If you like what we're doing, leave a comment, subscribe, and a like on the video. Thanks for watching.